Hazrat Atta states that he heard from Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah in the presence of those people who were accompanying him. He said, "We, the companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, put on the ihram only for Hajj and did not intend Umrah with it." Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, "On the morning of 4th of Zulhajj, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came, and when we reached there, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded us to take off the ihram and said, 'Take off the ihram and practice coitus with your wives.'" Atta states that Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, "It was not made obligatory, rather permissible for them. When it reached him that we were saying only 5 days are left between us and the day of Arafah, whereas we have been ordained to practice coitus with our wives. So on the Arafah day, we will come in this state that semen will be dripping from our private parts." Atta states that Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu indicated it by moving his hand that in this way Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon got up and said, "You know that I am more God-fearing, truer, and more upright than you. If I had not brought the sacrificial animal with me, I would have taken off the ihram like you. So you should take off the ihram, and if I had known my affair in advance what has happened later, I would not have brought the sacrificial animal." We thereupon took off the ihram, listened to his command, and obeyed. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7367.